First day out here, I kind of feel, awoken, happy, cool. So I'm gonna do what I do with my niggas. If you feel me, I'm gonna do it. Yeah, we smoking that potent. Yeah, uh, yeah, me and my niggas riding around. Find a fine bitch with an ass, I'm eyeing it down. Me, I'm the guy in my town, they call me Redman. I ain't got a lot of money, but I'm making it like Stedman. That mean I'ma stick my head in. Red eye, red house, I'ma stick that red in. Third, I don't curse, smoking weed, blow it in the earth. Do what I gotta do. Wisconsin flow, I got them birds. But I get what I deserve. I hate the phony niggas, they really get on my nerve. The ugly ass bitches, I kicking them to the curb. I'm doing what I do, I'm sitting smoking that herb. I talk about weed a lot because it's half of my life. My entire flow is like my afterlife. I don't know what to do, fuck a whole afterwife. I don't really give a damn, nigga, I'ma win a prize. I realize, smoking the green, I'm about to find a chick, I'm probably poking the fiend. Yeah, I like donuts, call them crispy the cream. If you don't like that, you don't know what I sing. I'm kinda flowy, I'm kinda doughy, I'm kinda jumpy and joey, I'm kinda go he, I'm gonna know he didn't. I'm a witness, flipping all these chickens. Listen, get a missing with this chicken that I'm with it last week. She talking about last geek, something on her last beat. That last beat was kinda short, kinda dork, like a white man's pork. Okay, I'ma switch the subject, I ain't done yet. I run with nuns that pray with God, talking about they love him. I'm like, you love him, but after that, you rubbing my back under my cover, cuddling. What's going on? What happened to brother in respect? All that shit turned into neglect. I don't know what's done yet. I don't know what to confess. I don't know if I should undress or protest against these fake ass niggas that's trying to be something they ain't, be something behind them. Me, I am a clothes, hoes, frustrated designer. I'm gonna get that Gucci, I'ma go get that Prada, nada. I'ma get what I can and what I can afford. I'ma get that new Grand or that Honda Accord. I'ma do what I do for my family and more. I'ma clean my fucking room, do all my chores. Cause it's Sunday, it's not a Monday. I pop with that gunplay, nigga, you want it one day. Me, I jumping, me, I always freestyle. You only get one, but me, I give you 3 smiles. I'm shooting threes like I'm D Miles. I'm fucking hoes, but don't see childs. When I nut, all I see childs. I call them seed childs, cause they'll be gone. Peace now, I'm gone for the flows. I'm back in the booth. I'll take out my mouth, I'll whack it in the tooth. I'ma do what I do. For me and my crew, freshmen stand up and you know who you ooze is. Yeah, I got my nigga dead in Minnesota. I got my nigga down south at Cobras. I got my nigga eating coffee. Kojas. I got my nigga folding shit, call it folders. I don't know what to say. I'm freestyling all day, nigga, all day. I play ball in the ball way. I play ball in the ball way. All I got to say is I'm praying for my fam so we can be at the Grand Slam doing damn dances with the girls that romancing and prancing. I wanna be motherfucking elf. I play for myself, you play for your health. You play for the role, me, I play for the belt. My dick on the swell. Yeah, I probably taking your milk, I taking your bell. I'm taking your milk, and it's really silk, please. Can't get on your knees. You probably your mouse, but you ain't gonna get my cheese. It's not happening. Bitch, get a fucking life. And if you're 35 alone, get a fucking wife, you bitches.